Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can save your website in Google, like in Wix. So let's start. First, you are here on your website and you want to do one thing. Next to the preview and third thing from the publish, it's going to be like save. You're gonna have like also save, autosave is on, so let's just click save. And here your changes are save, done. And when you got it, you can simply go to like, I don't know, wix.com, right? And then you're gonna select template, subscriptions, my sites. And right here, you're gonna see your site, right? Site actions, you can easily edit the site. So yeah, this is how we do it, and this is how you can save your website in Wix. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.